Hey yo everyone, it's Chris O coming to you from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. It's a beautiful place to live. I've done the other splashback in the kitchen. This is going to be a bed sit for the owner's mum. She's coming over from Japan and she's going to be staying in this room. This ensuite is ready and waiting for her. I tiled it 4 months ago. Coco, the owner, bought this house and she's been doing it up, and she got the best tiler she could find. Anyway, nah. She might have found the only one she could find. Anyway, what you do is always when you start a bathroom, you start that wall first because you're walking in to that ensuite. You're walking up to your bench. You always do the wall you're going to see first. That's the one you start on. Okay, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon. Poke at the subscribe button. Let's see you subscribe and learn. From Chris O. See ya. Bye.